Hey guys, so we are going to talk about how to add footnotes. And the reason why we want to add footnotes is that the in-text citation will take a lot of room in your infographic and it'll look bad. So a footnote is a way to be able to add a citation having to, um, without really having to take a lot of space and to make your stuff look ugly. So we have our slide here that you're utilizing, and this format is the format you're going to keep. Generally, you need a title, a subtitle, and you need the rest of this information that's here on this. And what you want to do is you want to, I'm going to make this a little bigger so we can see it here, but you can see that you have your bit of information and then the source number here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add that there. So you can see that you'll have your MLA formatted works cited with source numbers down here at the bottom. Okay. And so you're going to want to say, like, anything that came from this source, you're going to put a 1 next to it here. And that way it keeps the right information with the right sources. So it's, instead of an in-text citation, you're going to put a little number. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you. So you've got this bit of information. Oop, you've got, one of these slides, and we're going to click on it so we can write in here. Okay. So if you can say the definition of media. So you're going to have that in one of your sources. And let's just say that's source number 1, right? So if we go in here, we've got the definition of media literacy, and you got it from source number 1. So I just typed a 1, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this 1, okay? I'm going to go up here to format text, okay? And then I want superscript. Superscript, like Superman, means it flies over, it's high up, right? It's above. So Superman is above humans, superscript is above the text, the line in the text. So when you click on it, it makes that 1 small and up right next to the stuff that you were citing. So now I know that the definition of media literacy, belongs with source 1, and it takes just a tiny bit of space. So as we go back in here and we go back to our normal sizing here, we can see that this little 1 isn't going to get in the way of the rest of our information. So that is how you do a source note. The number corresponds with the number down here. Okay, so instead of you're going to do it in alphabetical order, but you're also going to add in the numbers down here. And that way that goes up here. Is just a number 1 instead of having the entire citation, especially because some of the article names get really long and it can be very cumbersome to deal with when you're trying to make something look nice. So that's how you add a source number as a footnote. If you have any questions, let me know. And we are getting close to being done with the first unit. So awesome.